Here we are over in Lincoln this morning. Just installed a Starlink in a little barn slash garage, being converted for some racing. Here we've installed the Starlink 12x12 galvanised bracket, 3-foot mast, wired down in the Starlink approved cable. Under a slat there, nice and sealed.
Paid you for all the work you're doing.
Which then comes in down there, up, along, down, and into the Starlink router there. Being fed off temporary power from this extension lead, as he's not quite finished installing the sockets yet. This is Aaron, Space Internet Solutions.